These are the brand new style ESTEEM-708 in red black. These are 7 inches and I'm excited to show you these in today's review. Hi, Natalie here at Shoes of Hollywood. We have a beautiful pair of shoes to check out today. These ones are from a brand new style by Pleaser called Esteem, so it's really exciting to check these ones out. This is the code here for you. We're going to put a link to this in the description, that way you can hit the link and go straight to the website where you can buy these shoes if they're in stock. Do that quickly because these are going to sell out so fast. So we'll take out the shoe, we'll check them out, shall we? Great. So these ones are a beautiful clear top, meaning you can see your foot through it, basically, if you're new to them. And they come with a gorgeous ankle strap. They're red and black, and they've got, it's a really funky design, how it just splits the sole from the actual heel and the platform. It's really, really pretty. We'll grab the second one out too. Just a quick props up for the Pleaser brand. They are so good at taking care of their shoes for you. They always have them padded, they always have them wrapped, and they always come with a beautiful protector bag as well that you can put your shoes into. That way you don't need to keep the box, but it keeps all the dust off it. It stops from damaging from happening to your shoes. It's really, really great. So we're going to put these gorgeous shoes on. These shoes are in quite high demand simply for the fact that the red and black is quite in fashion at the moment, which is amazing. So if you're a fan of red and black, jump in quick and grab these ones before they get snatched up. Oh no! So if it looks like they're a little bit squishy, it's only because with the clear tops, what happens is they are tight when you first put them on, and then they will end up molding. So as your foot warms the plastic, it'll mold onto your foot, kind of like a memory foam mattress, and it'll be the most comfortable pairs of shoes ever. After a while, they'll stay molded to your foot. So if you wear them a couple of times, you won't need to wait for the plastic to warm up anymore. They'll just be perfectly ready for your feet to go straight in there. Go. And of course, these coming straight off the production line, they have not been tried on at all yet. They haven't been worn, so they are super, super new. So they're a little bit tight, but it's all good. They don't hurt. They're just a little bit extra supportive, if you want to say. Just gotta get the buckles on up. There we are. Okay. Alright, got the straps on. We're ready to go. So these are really comfortable. They do have the sway for the sole of the shoe. That way your foot doesn't slide around in them. I think there's something really, really funky about the clear top shoes. It kind of makes you look like you're floating, which I think is really, really cool. The red is really quite striking. I just got a glimpse of the side of it then. It's really eye-catching. So pretty. I love the tonage of the red as well. It's a bright tonage. It's not a dark, it's not dull, it's really quite bright. It's a beautiful contrast between the black upper and the black bottom of these shoes. These ones are a 7-inch heel as well, so they're very, very high, but they're not too high, so they're actually a really good height if you're comfortable walking in heels. If you're brand new, you'd probably want to start with something a little bit lower, but then again, who wants to wait, right? Just jump straight in. If you like our videos, please hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. That way you will stay up to date with all of our latest videos, and when all the new shoes come in, you'll be the first to know. Also, leave us a comment and hit the like button, and that way you will love all of our videos. They're beautiful. As you can see, I don't know if you can see, I can feel it. The plastic is already starting to mold onto my foot. It's getting even more comfortable just with this short distance of walking that we've done. So these are gorgeous. I hope you've enjoyed these beautiful new shoes. Remember, these are a brand new style of shoes from Pleaser called the Esteem. We only have a few of them at the moment. Hopefully there'll be some more styles coming out soon. But if you like them, jump in quick because you really don't want to miss out. And like I said, this black and red style shoe is a really big seller at the moment. So you really want to get in there nice and quick. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please leave us a comment. Tell us what we did and what parts of the shoe you like. And we'll see you in the next one. Thanks. Bye.